Deep within the tropical rainforest resides a mysterious and captivating hunter, the Gould's frogmouth. With its uniquely large mouth resembling a natural insect net, it specializes in catching mosquitoes and flying insects, earning its reputation as the forest's pest control expert. The Gould's frogmouth's belly is covered in scale-like feathers. The belly of the Gould's frogmouth is covered with scale-like feathers, providing it with camouflage that allows it to blend into the night and hunt silently. As a nocturnal predator, it plays a crucial role in regulating mosquito populations and maintaining the rainforest's ecological balance. This remarkable frogmouth is not only a master insect hunter, but also an indispensable guardian of the ecosystem.